Hey guys, I'm here with ADR with TruGreen, and he's going to do our third application in our yard. So far, got a lot of weeds gone. The dollar weeds, almost non-existent, and some of the other weeds, they're history, except on that side of the house. We have been having a little issue with mushrooms, and I'm sure your service will help prevent that mushroom fungus, right?
Yes, sir. Yep.
So he's going to go through and he's going to spray the skin. I'm just going to show a brief overview of the areas he sprayed, and then we're going to come back and do an update on the yard. So y'all stay tuned. We just finished up the yard and looking good. Dollar weeds, like I said, almost gone, and now he's rolled up all his equipment. He's ready to go. Now, once they're done with the yard, how long do you want to wait to water after that?
Well, the water won't affect the fertilizer that I put in today. Actually, to help it.
Okay, so you can water straight away.
Yes, yeah.
Okay, good deal. And you want to keep animals and people off the yard because it's slightly toxic, right, sir?
Yeah, it has insecticides in it. So
Insecticides. You don't want that. That's bad. But this is our third update of many, and looking good. We'll keep you informed. We still have the aeration that's scheduled, and that's going to come out. TruGreen's doing that as well. So if you're interested in TruGreen service, see link down below. Maybe you'll get ADR here if you're in the Florida area. And if you like this channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, hit that like button. It's down there, looks like this. And if you're also looking for great recipes, good eats, check out dininginwithdanielle.com. ADR also told me he is a great cook as well. So maybe we'll see something in the future from ADR.
most definitely.
Great recipes. And y'all please take care.